Hi, in this video I am going to tell you how to create a custom frequency line in a corridor. Here I have a corridor. If you go to corridor properties, you can see the frequency lines are stated at 20-meter interval. So if you go to the corridor, you can see the frequency lines are at 20-meter intervals, 205, 720, 205, 740 likewise. So let us say we need a frequency line at 205,725 somewhere here. So here I am going to tell you how to add that frequency line. To do that, select your corridor, go to corridor properties, and here you have frequency. Then I click here to add this frequency line to the corridor. Then at this plus sign you can add custom frequency line, that is specify additional frequency stations. You click here, then it will ask where is the station. You can manually select it, otherwise you can type the changes. I will say 205,725. Then press enter again to finish the command. Then it will add automatic frequency line at that station. Click OK and finally click OK to rebuild the corridor. You will see a custom frequency line appears at that location. This is the way to add custom frequency lines to your corridor to make your corridor more accurate.